Now we are going to solve question number 18 of 2. In this given equation, first of all, we have to understand what is the relevant formula for this equation. By using this formula, A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Now we can use x minus y and x plus y. By using this formula, we can write A square minus B square same as x minus y, x square minus y square, keeping both these equations same. X square plus y square, x power 4 plus y power 4. By solving this section, again we are using this formula, same to same formula. This x square whole square plus minus y square whole square, keeping these values same. X power 4 plus y power 4. So here x power 2 to the 4 minus y power 2 to the 4 and x power 4 plus y power 4 is same data. Again, by using same formula, here is x power 4 is equal to A minus y power 4 is equal to B and x power 4 is equal to A. This plus same y power 4 is equal to B. So what is the formula? Formula is A square minus B square. So we can write x power 4 whole square minus y power 4 whole square. So what is the solution of this problem? X power 4 to the 8 minus y power 4 to the 8. This is the required answer. For solving question number 18 of 3, we have this data which is given. First of all, we will rearrange this equation as x minus y, and now we are using this bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Now by taking this equation, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now by using this equation, x square plus y square multiply with x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4. We have rearranged the given equation. Now we can use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will use these both formulas to solve the above equation. For solving this section of the equation, we are using the formula a cube minus b cube. So here is x whole cube and y whole cube, and for this section x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, we can use the formula a cube plus b cube. So here is again x cube, here is minus x cube plus y cube. For solving this section of the equation, we will use the formula a cube plus b cube. So the value of a is x square, the value of b is y square. So we can write at the place of a x square whole cube plus the value of b is y square whole cube. Now we can write x cube minus y cube bracket close, x cube plus y cube bracket close, and x power 3 to the 6 plus y power 3 to the 6 bracket close. Now for solving this section of the equation, we are using the formula a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here is the value of a is x cube, the value of b is y cube. So we can write x cube, the value of a is x cube, value of b is y cube. So we can write the value of a is x cube whole square plus minus value of b is y cube whole square, keeping this equation same, x power 6 plus y power 6. So here is x power 3 to the 6 minus y power 3 to the 6, and keeping this equation same, x power 6 plus y power 6. Again, by using formula a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here is the value of a is equal to x power 6 and the value of b is y power 6. So we can write x power 6 whole square minus y power 6 whole square. So x power 6 to the 12 minus y power 6 to the 12. This is the required answer of given question. For this section, for solving this section, we are using the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So the value of a is 2x and value of b is 3y. So we are putting the value of a 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, keeping these two brackets same, 4x square plus 9y square, 16x power 4 plus 81y power 4. Now here is 2 to the 4x square minus 3 to the 9y square, and these brackets are same, 4x square plus 9y square, 16x power 4 plus 81y power 4. Again, for solving this, we are using same formula. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So put the values. The value of A is 4x square. 4x square whole square minus value of B is 9y square. 9y square whole square, and by keeping this bracket same, 16x power 4 plus 81y power 4. So here is 4 for the 16, x power 2 to the 4 minus 9 9 the 81 y power 4, and keeping this bracket same, x 16 x power 4 plus 81 y power 4. Again, we are using same formula. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here is the value of A, 16x power 4 whole square minus the value of B is 81y power 4. 81y power 4 whole square. We have put the value of A and B in this equation. Now 16 the 256 x power 4 to the 8 minus 81 the 81 is equal to 6561 y power 4 to the 8. This is the required answer of the given equation. For solving question number 19 of exercise 3.2, we will use the formula A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. Suppose this is the value of A and this is the value of B. So put the value of A and B in given equation. 7y square upon 9 plus 9 upon 7y square the value of A is 7y square upon 9 whole square. We are putting the values in this equation. A square minus AB plus B square minus 7y square upon 9 into B. The value of B is 9 upon 7y square plus B square. B square is 9 upon 7y square whole square. 7y square cancelled with this 7y square and 9 divided with this 9. 7y square upon 9 plus 9 upon 7y square. 7 7 the 49y power 4, 2 to the 4 divided by 9 9 the 81 minus 1 plus 9 9 the 81, 7 7 the 49y power 4. This whole equation is equal to A cube plus B cube, and the value of The value of a cube plus b cube is 7y square upon 9 whole cube plus 9 upon 7y square whole cube. When we will solve this, 7 7 the 49, 49 7 the 343, y power 3 to the 6, 9 9 the 81, 81 9 the 729, plus again 729 upon 343, y power 3 to the 6. This is the answer of given question. For finding the product of given equation, we use the formula a cube plus b cube. Then we put the values of a and b in given formula. We get the answer in this shape, and whole this equation is equal to a cube plus b cube. By putting the values of a and b, we get this answer, and this is the required answer. For solving question number 4 of question 19, we will use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here the value of a is c square and the value of b is 1 upon c square. So put the values, c square minus 1 upon c square. The value of a is c square whole square plus c square into 1 upon c square plus the value of b is 1 upon c square whole square, and value of a is again c square whole cube minus value of b is 1 upon c square whole cube. Here c square divided with this c square, so c power 3 to the 6 minus 1 upon c power 3 to the 6 is equal to c square minus 1 upon c square, c power 4 plus 1 plus 1 upon c power 4. This is the required answer.